Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I feel like I'm in the middle of nowhere. Feels like it. So where I am at the moment is just up the Perth mountains, and I'm in a place called Bell's Rapids. Now I mean by rapids is that the water flows that fast through here, calling it Bell's Rapids. Now, but as you can see, it's completely dried up because it's summer here in Perth. It's currently the end of January and it's 35 degrees, and I don't think I've seen rain since October, so what's that, a few months now. And this place is completely dried up. Oh, let's go for a bit of a hike. Everything is just so dry and crusty, making it really slippy. So we'll walk across that bridge when I eventually get there. The safest way. Some stagnant water just there. But yeah, as I said, we're right up the top of the Perth Hills mountains, and there's a dam further up there. And when it rains heavily here in Perth, as it does in the winters, sometimes in the summer, but mostly in winter, June, July and that, the dam up here breaks, and all of a sudden you've got an enormous volume of water rushing down these hills, and it all just gathers and flows fast all through here. Because of all the rock formation, you get a lot of white water rapids, hence the name. Whoops, nearly slipped. So you can see me partner in crime, Louis. Hey Louis.
Hi.
But yeah, what we'll do is we'll look, that's just river sand. Look at this. Little shells, look at. But we'll walk across that bridge. I'm sure I hear the snake down there somewhere. Yeah, you need to watch where you step, especially out here. As I said, look, we're in the middle of nowhere. Everything is dried out. Perfect for snakes. But I'll have to shoot this video over two, but I'll combine it into one. So what I'll do is I'll video now, considering that it's so dry. And what I'll do is I'll archive that video until we get some decent rain. and then I'll come back out and video it just to show you before and after the rains. Hey, how you doing? You got a lot of people hiking out here. So it does take a bit out of you walking on that terrain. It's pretty tough on the other legs. Louis behind me, he's down there. So I don't know how old this bridge is, but actually considering how dry it is out here, it wouldn't surprise me this bridge is only a couple of years old. I've never been out here in the rain, or when the water's flowing for that matter, so I'm looking forward to it. But look at the sheer size of it, look at the width. Can you imagine? Actually, you will see in this video water flowing down there, coming from there. So I've just walked from down there, somewhere over there. It's pretty tough to walk through. Just so dry. Nothing can survive, not even water. So there's a little depth measuring gauge here. This just goes to show you how deep this can actually get. See the red mark on that? That's 3 meters. There's a warning sign. Look at this guy's just got to show you how many people have come out here. 500 people. Be incredible to see actually 500 people standing on this bridge. I don't even think you'd have enough car spaces. Some difference, isn't there? Massive, isn't it, compared to the dry. Just look at the force of that water. They're brave. Wow. Hey! Where's his mate? Here comes his mate now. Incredible, isn't it? I think that's the rock that Louis was sitting on just there. Such the difference. We actually walked all across that there. It's massive, isn't it? Hold on, I'll ask Louis. Hey Louis, is that rock down there that you were standing on? See just there?
Oh, yeah.
I'm just trying to get on that now.
Yeah, that would be pretty hard, I think.
Would be very hard. And here comes the rain. What do you reckon, Louis? Do you reckon you go swimming in there?
I might be saying this bravely, but yes, I think I would do it.
Would you?
I think I would, yes.
Not a bit rough. Wow. That's just some amount of water. Alright guys, there you will. Bell's Rapids while it's dry, Bell's Rapids when it's flowing. Alright guys, I reckon that's a wrap from me. So what do you reckon? Bell's Rapids before and after the rains. And it's actually raining now. You can see on those hills there, it's all cloudy. Cool. Alright, Lou, do you want to say goodbye?
Bye everyone.
Alright guys, until next time. Slán lads.